we're gonna go for an FPV flight in the SU-35.
All in the camera.
With some fat trucks on. Go for
All
it, bro.
Right. Been a while.
I know, right? Hit it.
Here goes nothing. If I crash, I crash.
It's all good.
Oh, this is cool.
I know, right?
Okay, now, yeah, I'm okay.
Cool.
Video, not too bad.
Latency should be nothing because these are awesome goggles.
Yeah, no. We got like the typical analog squigglies.
Oh yeah, it's all good. There it goes. So how does it feel, Jeff?
Pretty sweet.
Nice, nice. Bring it on through.
Yeah, I haven't FPV'd in a while. So.
I know, right? Jeff and his goggles. There we go.
It's interesting.
Right? Haven't done this in a while. Last time we've flown like this was with a drone. It's kind of way out there.
I don't know how far I can go, so we're not going to tempt fate. I don't want to go in the drink over there.
I know, right? There it is. Back to the jet. Man, the sun is bright. Up, up, and away. Jeff, isn't it kind of weird? You hear the noise of it, but you can't see it unless you're looking through the goggles. There she goes. This was an awesome pickup of this jet. Cost about like 76 bucks, something like that. Good find. So doing our
these goggles are badass.
FPV flight.
These goggles are really cool.
I know. Fat Shark HDOs. Nice. Bring it on back this way.
What was that?
I hear it coming. Where is it? Here it comes. Zooming on by.
I was hearing beeps.
There's Jeff.
Was that your beeps?
No.
What was that?
Beeping. I don't beep.
Yeah, the nose fell off too. So
yeah, the nose came off. Less aerodynamic, but flies really cool. It's all good.
I mean, I just cut off a little bit of the top, put a super glued the little camera in, and good to go.
Right? Cool. Let's go check out Jeff. How's it feeling, Jeff?
Yeah. no, it's good.
Yeah, no. Concentrate, bro.
No, I got this.
Oh, I know.
Once I got up, it all came back into play.
Right. It's all good.
It's just, this is the first on a plane.
I know.
Done on a drone and RC cars.
I know, right? Just a little different story, but it's all good. Maybe we'll go ahead and bring this puppy in for a landing. You want to try landing, Jeff?
Yeah.
Once you get your orientation or whatever good, see how we can do an FPV landing.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I know, right? So bring it over this way. Yeah, that's a controller beeping.
Lofting.
And
where are we?
Yeah,
right there.
You're coming up from behind yourself. Nice.
Stuck the landing, baby.
There you go. That was the first FPV flight. How was it, bro?
That was awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So all right. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.